Ever wondered what it would look like to bring the world of Eorzea into your gaming setup? If you're a fan of your in luck, certain year people at all. If you're in luck, then you're sounding, then you say, well, that's a new fan of a fan member. Before the highly anticipated Switch 2 release, something incredible has arrived. The Square Enix and Height have joined forces to create a limited edition PC case, bringing a piece of the game's magic directly to your desk. Pre-orders are now live, but don't wait. These won't last forever. Everyone for those. Shipping is expected in the third quarter of 2026. This collaboration comes in an exciting time, as is also making its way to the Nintendo Switch 2 in August 2026. It's a huge moment for the game, now over a decade strong. The official description states, "The scions of the seventh dawn have carried you through every calamity. This case isn't just hardware, it's a tribute to the bonds forged over years of adventure." The Y70 case showcases the game's iconic characters with stunning detail on panoramic tempered glass panels. Each case is uniquely numbered with a Warrior of Light plate, making it a true collector's item. The Y70 boasts massive 4-slot vertical graphics support, ensuring even the most powerful GPUs fit comfortably in. Plus, the case offers incredible airflow with space for multiple fans. Included is a premium PCIe 4.0 riser cable for seamless installation. And the spacious interior can accommodate up to a 360 millimeter radiator for ultimate cooling. It's built for performance and aesthetics with its unified modern aesthetic and 4 unique colorways. The Y70 puts your build front and center. Tool-less access and cable management features make it a breeze to customize and maintain. And for those who crave something truly unique, the Milky Y70 comes in delicious flavors like strawberry, blueberry, and taro. And talk about a sweet setup. Full specifications are available on the official Height website. Is currently available on PC, macOS, PlayStation, and Xbox. Speaking of setups, why did the Warrior of Light bring a ladder to the raid? Because they heard the boss was on a higher level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,